Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to AiZen Tools.
So in this video, I want to show you a much more practical workflow that helps you turn a proven TikTok product video format into fresh affiliate content faster.
So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
The tool I'm using is Vmake, and the feature we are focusing on is Recreate Product Video. What makes this interesting is that you are not starting from zero. You are starting from a format that is already catching attention, then rebuilding it around your own product details. That saves time, helps you test faster, and makes the content creation process much more realistic if you want to post consistently. It also supports Seedance 2.0 effects, which helps make the final result feel more polished and more aligned with the kind of modern short-form videos people are already used to watching. Let's start from the beginning because the first step actually happens before Vmake. First, go into TikTok Shop Affiliate and choose a product you want to promote. In many cases, talking style videos work especially well because they feel personal and direct, which helps build trust quickly. If a video feels easy to follow and makes the product look convincing in the first few seconds, that is usually a strong sign that the format is worth studying. Now let's move into Vmake. Once you open the platform, go to the Recreate Product Video feature. Once you are inside, you can either upload the original reference video file or paste the link. I usually prefer uploading the file directly because it keeps the process simple and controlled. After that, upload your product image. Try to use a clean, high-quality image, ideally something that already looks good enough for a product listing. The better the image quality, the more natural the result usually looks. Then enter the product name and product information. This part should stay focused. Add the product name, the main benefits, and the details that matter most to the buyer. In my experience, it is better to keep this clear and benefit-driven instead of stuffing in too much text. You want the system to understand the product clearly, not get overloaded with unnecessary details. There is also one important setting here, which is the avatar field. For this kind of recreation workflow, leaving it blank usually works best because it helps preserve the feel of the original talking style format. If you want to test different styles later, you can always experiment. But for showing the core value of the feature, leaving it blank is a strong move. Then generate the video. This is where the benefit becomes obvious. Instead of spending hours filming and editing one affiliate video from scratch, you can create a fresh version much faster and test more ideas in less time. And that matters a lot in affiliate marketing because the people who usually get better results are not always the ones making the most polished video. After just a few seconds, Vmake generates a viral-ready video, one that unmistakably carries over the original structure, pacing and energy that made it so engaging in the first place.
Check out this gaming beast. It's rocking an RTX 3070 and a super smooth 144Hz display, so shooters feel buttery. The keyboard is fully customizable and the glow under the chassis looks sick on the desk. I'll have the full benchmark and thermals.
Alright, let's break down how to find trending videos using trending TikTok affiliate videos in a simple and powerful way. First, we start by selecting a region. I chose the USA, but you can pick any region, even if you're not physically there. This lets you tap into that market's top performing content and see what's actually working right now. Next, select the language. Once that's set, you'll instantly unlock a feed of products along with valuable insights, CTR, CVR, CPA, cost, and full monetization data. You can also see engagement metrics like likes, comments, and clicks. This is where the real gold is. Now, pick a product type that stands out to you. Click into it, and you'll open detailed performance analytics plus audience insights. Scroll down, and you'll find trending videos specifically tied to that winning product category. These videos show you exactly what kind of content is performing best right now. Pay attention to their hooks, visuals, and messaging so you can understand what makes them successful. If you find a video you like, you can copy its link or download it. Then recreate or remix it using tools like Vmake, just like we did earlier. Another powerful move is checking the top ads section. Here you can refine your search even further and discover top performing ad creatives. You'll see the product, landing page, ad performance, clicks, and even related videos. From there, grab the link, bring it into Vmake, and start building your own version, making sure it aligns with what's already trending. That's how you stack the odds in your favor and create content that's built to win. Once you've copied the link from TikTok, paste it into Vmake, hit recreate, add your own product image, and that's it. You've created your own version of a proven winning video. Now it's your turn. Find a trend, recreate it smarter, and start building videos that actually convert.